Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Rizky Awalia. I will present the results of the journal component analysis. The title of this journal is The Student's Mathematical Abstraction Ability Through Realistic Mathematics Education with VBA Microsoft Excel. The type of the title of this research is a descriptive title, because it states the focus of the research. The authors of this journal is Nelly Fitriani, Didi Suryadi, and Darhim. The addresses information is Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, Setiabudi Street, 229 number, Gusola, Sukasari, Bandung, Indonesia. And the email addresses is nellyfitriani@student.upi.edu, didisuryadi1@gmail.com, and darhim_55@yahoo.com. Abstract. The purpose of the abstract to provide a brief summary of the paper. Abstract of this journal is: the purpose of the research is to analyze the level of abstraction mathematical ability of the students. This research uses a descriptive qualitative method. Results show that as many as 65.71% of students are in the first level of perceptual abstraction. As many as 57.14% of students are in the second level of internalization. As many as 31.43% of students are in the third level of interiorization. And as many as 17.14% of students are at the last level, namely second level of interiorization. Based on the learning that has been done to 35 sample students, some students are appropriate for all types of abstraction levels. The sample in this study can be categorized into 4 levels of abstraction. Introduction. The purpose of introduction to provide the reader with background on the research described in the paper. Introduction of this journal is: concepts in mathematics are abstract, including geometry. Students will have difficulty if they are emphasized to memorize. Concepts should be constructed in the minds of students and not transferred by the teacher to students directly. There are several ways to abstraction may arise in learning, namely familiar students to find relevant context, direct students to recognize commonalities across contexts, make students feel the same so they can form a universal concept, direct students to apply the concept in new situations. Distinguish 3 kinds of abstraction, namely empirical abstraction, pseudo-empirical abstraction, and abstraction reflective. In this study, the focus is on empirical and reflective abstraction. Based on the above, a learning design that can facilitate the abstraction process is using VBA Precise RME approach. Method. This research uses a descriptive qualitative method, and the subject of the study is junior high school students of grade 9 in one school in Ngamprah, as many as 35 students. The main instruments in this research are mathematics abstraction ability test. Results and discussion. The mathematical thinking process based on the RME approach exercised by VBA Excel helps students bridge the horizontal mathematization process towards vertical mathematization mathematical formation. Through this, the process of abstraction do well. and learning becomes more meaningful. Based on the theory of abstraction level, the results of the students' work analysis show that some students have met all types of abstraction level. Hong and Kim 2016, Rasana 2018. As many as 65.71% of students are ready in the first level, namely perceptual abstraction. Student errors occur when they cannot recognize the concept of the circumference of the circle. Students cannot argue that the circumference of the circle should be as large as the length of AD or CD. As many as 57.14% of students already exist in the second level, namely internalization. Students' errors occur when they cannot sketch the prism. They are unable to generalize the tube, which is a unique prism, and cannot solve the problem. A total of 31.43% of students are already in the third level, namely interiorization. Students' error occur when they cannot conclude that the object is a cone cut off. They conclude that the object is a tube. So, the solution to the problem was not appropriate. A total of 17.14% of students are already in the fourth level, namely second level of interiorization. Student error occur when they cannot generalize due knowledge to the concept of the pyramid in the context of a sphere. Conclusion. The conclusion of this journal is, based on the learning that has been known to 35 sample students, some students are appropriate for all types of abstraction level. As many as 65.71% of students are in the first level, perceptual abstraction. As many as 57.14% of students are in the second level, internalization. As many as 31.43% of students are in the third level, interiorization, and 17.14% of students are at the last level, second level of interiorization. Overall, the sample in this study can be categorized into 4 levels of abstraction. Acknowledgement. In this journal, the authors would like to thank Technology, Research and Higher Education Ministry, to the many parties who have helped in completing this research, and especially to Ms. Faridan Rasana, because she is very helpful in directing the writers when experiencing a deadlock. Reference. The purpose of reference is to provide complete citation to articles referenced in the text. Reference in this journal comply with citation rules. Tenses. Simple present. The pattern of simple present is subject plus verb 1. The simple present sentence in the journal is, in Indonesia, geometry becomes one part of the mathematics material of the school where students experience many problems. Past tense. The pattern of past tense is subject plus verb 2. The past tense sentence in the journal is, the RME approach designed to direct students to find relevant context early in the learning process. Past tense passive voice. The pattern is subject plus was or were plus verb 3. The participle sentence of this journal is interviews were conducted on two sample students, whereas one was a student who was classified as having high ability. He was at the perceptual abstraction level. Present perfect. The pattern of the present perfect is subject plus have or has plus past participle. The present perfect sentence in this journal is: some experts who have reviewed the issue and in general previous studies